Hi guys, welcome to IT Networking. How to download brother MFC J4335DW driver. So guys, open any browser, search as it is same Google search box and right click to new tab of the first link. So guys, all operating system are available with versions. Then click to OK. So other all drivers available with the tool, okay, firmware and all. So I have to only need two drivers, so click this. Then scroll down and agree to download. Now automatically to start. Then guys, single click to open. Then run. Then select your language and next. Agree this agreement. Then again next. So there are two options. One of the wireless, one of the USB. So guys, firstly install by USB and then try to wireless. Okay, select this one. Connect with the cable your printer. Okay, then next. So automatically detect and next and restart your system. Thank you.